Hello Bahar, hello Ali, how are you? I just wanted to demonstrate to you the update so far we've done with Yowl, and I have with me the basic breadboard with the components that we require for Yowl, and we have the basic functionality working for it. So I thought I'd share a video with you to show you how it works. So if you can see here, we have three switches here. So the first one is the service request switch, which the customer presses when they come into the restaurant. Obviously this is not the final hardware, it's just the internal switches that we are using for testing. So the final, we have to put it in a nice box, but the basic functionality is ready and we want to demonstrate that. So like I said, this is the first switch, which is the main switch or the service request switch that the customer presses when he comes and sits at the table to request for service. The second switch here is the checkout switch, which we recently added for the checkout light to blink. And the third switch is the owner switch or the manager switch, which the manager will use to find from the device the actual rating at that point or the service quality at that point from the device. So I'll just show you briefly how this works. And again, a lot of things like the color of the LEDs, the size of the LEDs are set for just for a demo, and the actual components that we use in the final product will be different from the one that we are using now. So again, this is just a basic demo to show you the functionality working. So I'll press on the main switch, or if say I'm a customer, I come into the restaurant, I press on the main switch and you can see the glow LED blinking. This will be the red in color in the final product, and you can see the rating LEDs changing here. So for this demo we've set the time to 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds the service rating changes, and you can see it goes from green to red, and like this. There you go. So we have an all red rating here, and the service when the restaurant the waiter sees this service request, he can come and turn off the request by pressing the same button again, and this service rating will be saved in the device's memory. So currently you can see the pic here, it has a EEPROM, so we'll save the rating to the hardware. So later, say for instance, if I'm the restaurant manager or the owner and I want to come and see what the average rating is, I can simply press on this button, and you can see the average rating just blinked, and I'll show it to you again. That's the average rating. So we are not doing that well, we should be in the all greens segment, but the average rating is still in one green. So it keeps in memory last a few hundred service ratings, and based on that it is showing this rating here. So that's how the device works. So it's really good to analyze how the service waiter has been servicing the customer and things like that. So basically this is it. And again, as a customer, if I want to check out, I simply press on the second button here, and the checkout button, which will be green in color in the final product, will be blinking. This is not a blinking button yet, so we just want to show you the glow working here. So the basic Yowl functionality is ready, and what we'll be doing next is we'll be going for the Wi-Fi functionality, so that the device can interact with the Wi-Fi module and the mobile application. Thank you.